Lafayette students have participated in the 3-day startup at Shippensburg University. We were thrilled to partner with Shippensburg on this event. One of the huge benefits of this type of program is that it helps students work through the iterative process that is entrepreneurship. Students start off the weekend by giving a pitch. Student teams form around these pitches. They self-select into teams. They do customer discovery, and over the course of the weekend, they refine the idea. And oftentimes, the most exciting part for me as the director of the program is to watch how an idea that started off on Friday night is fundamentally different on Sunday as the result of customer interviews and feedback.
I came to this conference, this 3-day startup, not knowing much about entrepreneurship and not having a good background in how to approach entrepreneurship. People use it every day in magazines, in conversations, and it felt like this kind of mystical beast, if you will. And this weekend was really great to give me a foundation in understanding how to move from identifying a problem, then identifying a solution to that problem, and then figuring out a way to generate revenue from that solution. And now that I have that framework in mind, I feel a lot more confident going back to Lafayette College.
I had a lot of ideas, so I came here with like an idea that was totally scientific, but that I just found out that like I can be interested more in another ideas. I'm now working on like a meter ad, which is something that I never think I can.
Liked it. It was kind of cool to hear like a ton of different ideas before having to decide where you're going to go. Honestly, that's kind of what entrepreneurship is all about. Basically learning as much as you can and working with as many different things as you can until you really find where you want to head.